How to fix SSL_error_handshake_failure_alert error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Outdated browsers may lack support for the latest SSL/TLS protocols, leading to handshake failures. Ensuring your browser is updated can improve compatibility with secure sites. Incorrect date and time settings can prevent SSL certificates from being validated properly, leading to connection issues. Make sure that Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update now and OK. If that didn't work, your browser may have certain SSL/TLS protocols disabled, which can lead to handshake errors with some websites. Enabling these protocols can help. Recommended to keep only TLS 1.2 and 1.3 enabled. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.